Hey guys, so today I'm here with another video, and actually this video was just an impulse video. I was about to put my hair in some pipe cleaners and some rods so I could curl them because I haven't styled my hair in quite a while. So I decided just to, switch it up a bit and put some curls in. I did wash my hair yesterday. Today is Saturday, and I washed my hair yesterday, and I twisted the front so the entire hair is not twisted. Usually I interlock, but there are parts of my hair that doesn't have as much growth for interlocking, so I decided to just twist the front of my hair instead. So maybe just a couple rows at the front. It's twisted right now, and yeah, so basically I am just going to put my hair up in a bun and start twisting. Okay, so I'm gonna start at the back. In here I just have a mixture of water and some oil. Honestly, I don't remember what oil, but I think it was coconut and olive oil, just a little bit, not too much. But there's water in there, some coconut oil, some olive oil, and then some tea tree oil in there, just a few drops of tea tree oil. And normally what I do when I'm curling my hair or braiding it or styling it, whatever, I will spritz some of this on each section that I take off, and then I just have a bottle of olive oil here, which I apply once I spritz. I apply this on my hair, so you will see a bit of that as I do it. Okay, all right, let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna take off a few of them, and let's see. Okay, so I'm taking out 3 for now. We'll start with this one here. Twist. So I'm spritzing. And I don't put much oil. I just put my palm like this, dab, and I don't know if you can see this, but see? All right, maybe you can't see because of the light, but yeah, and I just roll that on just for a bit of a sheen, nothing much. All right, then I take my pipe cleaner. We start here at the end. I just hook that around my new growth. And then I'm gonna start twisting my hair around the rod. And then I just bend that to keep it in place, like that. See? All right, this too. Spritz a little bit more. Let me see if I can show you on camera. All right, I am gonna keep doing that, and I'll come back at some point. Alright guys, so I'm back. I am midway through my hair, halfway through, and I decided to come back on camera and show you what it's looking like. So I do have a few brown and black in there, but yeah, I am halfway through, guys, and it's been about 2 hours and counting, and I am halfway through. So I started about 5, I want to say, or 5:15. I don't remember, but I know that when I did look at the clock after I started, it was about 5:15. It is now 7 some, maybe about 7:40. So it's been 2 hours, almost 30 minutes, and I am midway through. And honestly, doing this makes me remember why I don't style my hair as often. Let's see. So I'm gonna spritz that. And I have 2 here that I'm twisting together because my intention is to I'm trying to get the edges of my hair to be a bit thicker than they are right now. So I have these 2 combined, and as you can see, I previously combined them as well, and then now I'm taking the 2 and combining them again. So yeah, I started off with really small locks, and now I am twisting the roots, and I am going to install So I'm gonna keep doing this, and y'all, I hope these curls are worth all of this work. I really do hope they come out pretty good, because in all honesty, like, this is a lot. It's taking a lot, but yeah, I'm gonna keep doing that, and I will be back when I am basically done. All right guys, so 2 hours after I last spoke with you, I think I last spoke with you at 7:40. It is now exactly 10:45, and I just now finished my hair. So all in all, I started at about 5:15, finished at 10:45. You do the math. Jesus, I don't know, y'all. And technically these are supposed to come out, I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but I'm doing this on a Saturday evening, and my intentions were to have these in and curled so that I could take them off and have them curled for church tomorrow. Obviously when you're watching this, it won't be a Sunday, because I'll be uploading this sometime during the week. But yeah, that was my intention, to have it curled and be able to take them down for church tomorrow on Sunday. And I wrapped this up at 10:45 at night, and I don't know if it's gonna curl properly the way I want it to for church. Could I go to church like this? I know by the time you're looking at this, it's already past that, but do I have to take them down? I wish I could just leave it in, but yeah guys, that's my hair installed in pipe cleaners. I just thought I would just do a quick recording for you guys of the process and how long it took me. So hopefully I'm able to do a quick video on it. I know this video may be a little bit long, so I don't know. Hopefully I'm able to record when I'm taking them down, just so that you get an idea of what it looks like. Hey guys, so I'm back, and today I'm about to take these down, and today's Monday. So previously I said I wanted to take them down on Sunday for church, but because of circumstances beyond my control, I didn't get to go to church on Sunday, so I'm taking them down today, Monday. So I thought I would just show you quickly how I take them down. And yeah, I apologize if you're hearing any noise in the background because I do have dogs that are walking and running around. So, all right, guys. So I'm gonna start in the back, and we'll see. I think currently it's about 12, so I'm hoping it doesn't take me too long to take this down because I do have to leave here about 1. So hopefully it doesn't take me an hour to take this down. And I thought I would be able to just pull it out, but apparently not. So I am unraveling, and hopefully it doesn't do anything to the curls. Let's see. All right, that's one. Let's see. This is one of the locks that did get wet while I was taking a shower. So it might, the curl might have unraveled a little bit. But alright guys, so I'm gonna keep doing that and I will come back and show you the progress. Okay guys, so as you can see, I am now in the car, no longer in my bathroom. I had to continue removing the pipe cleaners in my car in transit. I was actually on my way to an interview. I started removing the pipe cleaners at 12 and thought I would have been done by 1, which is the time I thought, I wanted to be on the road because my interview was actually scheduled for 2 p.m. However, it took me a little bit longer than expected, and so I had to continue removing the pipe cleaners in transit. Mac was driving, so I decided to make use of the time and continue removing the pipe cleaners before I got to my interview. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. I don't know if you can see this, but yeah, I like how it turned out. Not sure if I'll do it that often, but I'll definitely do it again. So yeah, I like it. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like videos like this, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, like it. Please drop a comment down below. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see me make. And of course, follow me on Pinterest, Twitter, and Instagram. And happy living now. Stay blessed, God bless. Bye guys.